welcome. It's Sandy. I'm going to be doing a dragonfly painting on black canvas today. I've prepped it with some black acrylic on here, mixed with the glue and water mixture I always do. Just going to give it a quick little torch here and get the bubbles out. I've had my dinner, now I can just concentrate on doing a little painting. After a busy day at work, this is the most relaxing thing anybody can do. Trust me, try it at home. It's awesome. It is very addictive though, I will tell you that. Once you start, you'll keep painting and painting and painting. All right, so I want to start with using my berry wine, magenta. I'm going to be doing gold, bronze, and white and silver. That's going to be the mixture for my dragonfly. Fingers crossed it turns out as I hope. I've had a few people ask me, Sandy, you love dragonflies, why haven't you done one yet? Well, tonight I'm going to give one a whirl and see if we can do it. So I'm going to start with my copper first. And I'm going to map out with some dots where my wings are going to be. Just in my head where I think I want them to be. I'm not even sure how big I want to do these, but hopefully I'll have it guesstimated pretty good. Okay. Can never have too much copper, right? Got kids playing outside. You can tell it's nice weather today. Okay. That's pretty good. Okay, I think that's enough copper. Now I'm going to do some silver in here. Hopefully it's not too warm that it's really going to affect how quickly this paint's going to dry. That'll be a test. How's it looking so far? Okay. We've done the bronze, we've done the silver, black is the base. I might not need the white. Gold. I need some gold in there for sure. Okay, I think that's good. So now some color. Do I just do one color? Yeah, I think I'm going to put the magenta aside. I'm going to do the berry wine. because there seems to be a lot of paint going on here. Okay, so now I want to use one of my chains, and I'm hoping just knock some piece of my chain or gold paint or something off there. Pull that out of there. Okay. So I think I'm going to start with this one. Yeah, right in here. Just going to pull it down. And lift it. And grab my paper towel. Let's give it a quick little wipe. Put the chain around this guy. And pull it slowly. Okay. Now do this guy. Okay, one more pull. Okay. So now I want to pull this body of the dragonfly through here. I'm hoping I'll be able to get some sort of color design happening. There we go. So far, so good. Okay, now I want to get a little bit of this moved up into here. I think I want to take a little bit of this burgundy that's sitting here and plop it down. Plop it down. Gorgeous. Okay, I'm going to bring the black through here a bit. And the black through here a bit. Let's see. Need more black? Like a little bit more. See if those wings hold with the separation with the black. Hopefully I don't have to add any, because it is a flow paint, so it just likes to flow right back together. Gorgeous. Okay. Now I think I want to maybe draw just a bit more of a straighter line, just to accent the body a little more. All right. Now I'm going to give it a little torch and see if anything's happening with cells and get the bubbles out. Yay, we have cell action and it's gorgeous. Okay. So now pull a little bit of the paint out here just to define the wing a little bit. Get a little bit more of a rougher edge to it. Because this is gorgeous. Okay, so now what I want to do is just get a little bit of greenery on there. I know people are going to be saying, don't wreck it. So I'm just going to squirt some on my table here, some greens. And then I'm going to just swipe through a little bit of green. Okay. Just dropped a little piece of paint on the floor. Let's get that before I step in it. It was dry. It was all fine. Nobody panic. Okay. So now for this, I want to do just a little bit of greenery. Okay. Where else do I want some? I want some here. Going this way. Right here. Okay, I'm just about done here. Everything that I wanted to have happen is happening, which is wonderful. Not too much in the way of bloopers, which is good. Might do a little bit of pulling of the black now that the paint is settling a little bit. But other than that, we are good. All right. Yep, I'm happy with that. That is just awesome. Just to give it a little bit of color and personality. Just adding a little bit of green. Okay. Now let's see what else I got to do here. This body needs to be a little more defined since I have all the cells happening. Just do a little bit more. All I'm doing is drawing lines through the color. It's really just giving it a little bit of definition. All right. I think it needs a little bit of tiny bit. There we go. There we go. Perfect. Okay, I can't even lift this to show you because I'm going to wreck it if I do. But it's absolutely beautiful. I will take a picture of it and I will make sure I use it as the cover photo so you see exactly what it looks like before you even watch the video. It is gorgeous. I got to do some black in here. Just a little bit more. I have a feeling I'm going to be making a few of these dragonflies. All right, I am definitely calling that done. It is gorgeous. Thanks everyone for joining me.